Paisley playing in the tub. She is pushing my buttons this morning with her bath. She keeps wanting to get out of the tub. But she knows she shouldn't. Huh, Paisley? You know you shouldn't. No, you stay in the tub. What you got? You got Mr. Duck? Is that a Mr. Duck? No, you get in the tub. Get in the tub. Look, you done soaked my floor. Get in the tub. So see, she's not always perfect. She doesn't listen sometimes. Rotten butt. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Get in that tub. You're so bad. What are you doing? Can you swim? Go swimming, good girl. Go swimming. Show everybody how you swim. No, you get in. Dumbass. Get in the tub. You got my bathroom a mess. Go swimming. Go swim. No. Paisley, go swim. You're being boring. Get down. That's not very ladylike on camera, Paisley. Paisley, that's not ladylike. Stop. Get in that tub. See what you're doing? Get down. Get down. We ain't messing with the shampoo bottle. Play. Get in that tub. Go swim. No. Get in the tub and swim. Come on. Go swimming. Normally she loves to swim. What's your malfunction? You get in the tub. No. Get in that tub. Get in the tub. I'm gonna hear get in the tub all night long in my sleep, because that's all I tell you. Rotten. Yeah, you're rotten. That's not ladylike. Hey, that's not very ladylike. Oh, Paisley, we're gonna turn it off. Get down.